Hi, Kristin here, helping educate you on virtual assistants. So, where do you start? What do you do? That's what people ask me when they're hiring a virtual assistant. What you need to do is take down your to-do list. What are the things that you need to do and you never have enough time to do it? That's where virtual assistants can help you. You can start with your to-do list. Now, different virtual assistants have different personalities and different skill sets. So not the same virtual assistant is going to do everything for you. You have to hire different virtual assistants to do different things. So a customer service or an inside sales agent is going to be different than a general administrative virtual assistant or a marketing virtual assistant. So we always hire people through our company that have experience with whatever we're hiring for. So if we're going to hire an inside sales agent, an appointment setter, they have had to have done that previously in previous experience. And then we train them. We train them 2 to 3 weeks, and then we train them monthly, and we continue to train them all the time. So you got to figure out your to-do list and what a virtual assistant can do for you. I can help you every step of the way. Follow me on YouTube, Kristin Stampini, StampTV. Bye.